What is up, YouTube? It's Carter and Alex. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are at the grocery store.
Publix.
Woo-hoo.
We are going to give you a little rundown of what our shopping haul looks like, what kind of food we eat, just a little inside look into our diet and how we're able to have like a good balance in that area of our life.
All that good stuff. A few people have asked over the years what we eat, what our diet looks like, how much we eat, all of that. So we figured what better time to share than now.
You'll be able to see how much we spend at Publix too.
Yeah, well, we go like 2 to 3 times a week to the grocery store. And it kind of varies, but we're gonna do like a big haul today, or bigger haul.
But we love Publix just because it's always clean. They always got everything that we want.
It's a little bit expensive, Publix.
Yeah, it's a little bit pricey though.
But it's convenient. We have been to Costco a few times, which is great. But we got too much.
Yeah, when we go there, we just get too much food and then we're overeating. So we find that going to Publix helps us keep a better balance.
And unnecessary food. Like last time we got chocolate filled crepes.
Yeah, they always got all those like yummy snacks that you can't really pass up.
Anyways, that's enough talking. Let's go get this thing going. We're gonna bring you guys into the grocery store and show you what we buy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, today we're gonna need a cart because
it's a big day. We usually just get 2 baskets, but today we're carting.
All right, lead the way.
First item is blueberries.
We always get blueberries for like snacking, low calorie snack. Those are big ones. Been eating more apples recently.
Turkey breasts.
Today we're getting the green wise chicken because this one's always better quality, so I prefer it.
What is that? Nice.
What are you talking about?
It's chickpea pasta.
But it tastes good.
Y'all, if you ever need a sub, do not come to Publix. The line is always so long. Their subs are good, but like it's always a friggin' line.
It's like scary.
Oh, look, the granola's buy one get one.
But this looks like Squid Games.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's a lot of granola. Yeah. Let's get one. Protein granola chocolate.
Okay.
Buy one, get one.
Look at those. No. Oh, stop.
Keep doing that.
I didn't even notice.
Oh, what'd you do? You fatty. I was trying to get the fat. Ooh, this looks good though.
You're the best bad boy. Go, Elliot. Good job. How much do you think we spent?
150.
160.
Wow.
We did it!
Alright, so we are back. Say hello, Carter. We're gonna go over real quick everything that we got. So for the proteins, we got a bunch of chicken here. We always like to get ground turkey because it's super quick and easy to cook. Today we wanted to try something different. So it's this pork tenderloin. It's really lean, so it's also healthy. For the carbs, these were buy one get one, so we got some granolas. Yummy. We do like to make pancakes sometimes, so Kodiak is a great choice. Banza pasta. It's chickpea pasta, so it's like a healthier, higher protein pasta and actually tastes really good as well. This is some crunchy granola bars for snacks, rice, eggs, and then our fruit here as well. And we love to get Coke Zero. It's our little treat with our healthy food. So,
all right, guys. Well, that's it for what we bought. I am gonna get ready to start cooking dinner here in a little bit. What we normally do is we'll food prep a couple days out. I know a lot of people like to food prep like a whole week, but we just like to do a couple days. That way, the food doesn't go bad in the fridge and it's always fresh. So I'm gonna food prep tonight. So it's gonna be dinner and we're gonna have some leftover for like the next day or two, and then we usually will repeat that every few days. So Carter went to walk the dogs. I'm gonna start cooking, and then we'll keep you guys updated.
What are you doing? You smell the food? Smell the foods? Yep.
Alright, it's ready, and we're just gonna finish with this sauce here. Just give it some juiciness. Oh yeah. Should be good. Looks good. Hopefully it tastes good.
Alright, we just finished. I know you guys couldn't taste it, but it was very good. It was creamy Parmesan chicken, lemon, and rice.
Right. Lemon, Parmesan, chicken, rice.
Yeah, and it was very good. I didn't help, but I was here for moral support. But yeah, that's a little bit of what we eat. This is what our fridge looks like. That's a big watermelon. We got these shakes all the time. We're gonna hit the hay, but for now, that's it. And
in the morning.
yeah, bye.
Good morning, guys. We are back. It's the next day. Like in the mornings, do you want to talk about like what we normally have for breakfast?
Yes, usually breakfast is egg whites mixed with some eggs, a bagel, fruit, a protein shake. Like it's not the most exciting breakfast. If we could eat pancakes and French toast every day, we would.
Except we do have pancakes sometimes.
Yeah,
we'll
but
make
not like the good
protein.
pancakes.
Just protein, healthy pancakes.
But yeah, that's usually breakfast. Pretty easy. It's like usually just eggs and a bagel or something.
Yep. And then for lunch, we'll have like leftover food that we made the last night. So today we'll probably have that chicken that we had last night. And then again, we'll just do like another food prep for the next day or two and just keep it going like that. And we try to eat pretty healthy throughout the day, just so we can sometimes treat ourselves to like donuts and whatnot, because we both do have like a really big sweet tooth. But that's kind of how we keep our balance. We try to keep our meals healthy, and then we treat ourselves a couple of times a week usually.
Hope that answered some of your questions. Like, it's not the most exciting diet, but it's what works for us. And we are obviously pretty active every day too. So like going to the gym, whatever. But yeah,
that's our life.
That's our life. Eating, that's our life. But if you have any questions about anything more specific, like type brands of the food they buy or whatever, not that it matters too much in my opinion, but feel free to drop a comment or ask us. We do have some of this stuff linked in the Amazon storefront too, like the shakes and the snacks that we get. But yeah.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.